Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use IPVanish on an Android device. So first of all, to get IPVanish you can install it from your Google Play or App Store. Once you are here, you can see on your Play Store, you can see this is going to be your IP Vanish. You can simply connect it using the buttons below. You can select the locations. It also have this features of optimal region selection that is going to be helping you to select the region automatically based on to the best area around you. So that is really handy. So that's how easily you can download and install it onto your Android device. It is not a rocket science. You can see the reviews and everything. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel, guys. Make sure to simply hit that like button as well, as it really helps. So stay tuned for more videos like these, and see you in the next one.